Meaning of disappointed.
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 Disappointed. Disappointed is an adjective that describes feeling let down or unhappy due to unmet expectations. It can result from things like a failed plan, broken promise, or underwhelming experience. When someone is disappointed, they may feel sad, frustrated, or even angry. The negative emotions associated with disappointment can lead to a loss of motivation or decreased trust and satisfaction in the future. It is important to manage expectations and communicate clearly to prevent disappointment and maintain healthy relationships. Overall, disappointment can have a significant impact on one's emotional well-being and outlook on life.